Let's get right to it. Who's ready for today hunt? Because I'm ready. Welcome everybody. Welcome wherever you are. Remember to hit the like button and the way in. And of course, let us start our live streaming for today. And before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors. So always do you due diligence before you put your money on the line. Okay, so let's get right to it, guys. We got GP. GP looking interesting for today. It's getting near the 142, which is the breakout zone and the profit taken. We got this is the top gainer that just came right now. We got other one LRHC didn't break from the 133. We got CETX, the same pullback from the current resistance around the 413, but still holding the $3.60. RZLV, we got a major resistance right now around yeah, we have a little breakout, but expect a test for the $4.09, which is the current resistance right now. Good morning, everybody. Let's see if we're gonna have a continuation for this one from yesterday that did 14%. Yes, RENX might be good if we hold over the current support right now, the 24, lowering the resistance for it around almost the $30. Yes. Open doing all right, guys. We got a huge reversal because US mortgage lenders rally on the Trump administration plan to buy 200 billion in bonds. 200 billion. Open door stock forms are rare pattern. Okay. We got a really good plan, grand plan for housing. Interesting. So open looking interesting or looking open for business. Was down lately and reversed here almost 23%. We got a little bit of reversal or majestic reversal, almost yeah, over 10%. TRY have earnings yesterday. We already discussed it, guys, on our swing trade that we did yesterday. Yesterday, we did a really good trade for TLRY. We discussed the 923 breakout. We said the profit taken out on the 950 and 990. TRY did a nice jump, 12 or almost 13% right now. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, Lizzie. Norma in the house. Good morning, Norma. OBAD, WHLR, SMR. I will check. We got, yeah, SMR did a really good run yesterday. OBAD, yes, it's jumping big time. Have a huge seller around the $2.43. Might be wise to watch as well. Yes. Let's check SMX because some of you said it was running down. You mean it pulled back a lot yesterday, 17%. It pulled back a lot. so it's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep GP on the list and of course OPAD because it looked good right now, OPAD. Especially here if we broke the $2.43. Yeah, if we broke this level, yeah, we might have another jump. Another huge jump expecting to happen for OBAD. OBAD looking fantastic. So far, so good. 56%. Top loser ACON from yesterday was top gainer AQST, the same. AQST down almost 30%. Let's see, 37%. And now started to reverse a little bit. Yeah, we got a reverse of 26%. I think we got bad news for it. Let's see. Okay, we got FDA issues. Oral allergy drug. Yes, there is an issue with the FDA approval. So bad news for AQST. 37%, but it did a really good reversal here, almost 30%. But have bad news. George, welcome, George. You always gone very quick. Hopefully everything is good. Let's see Tesla. It's been a while last time we checked Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. We got huge drop for Tesla lately. Tesla doing all right. We have still good support over the 422 and the 383. So it's not bad. The all-time high is almost around the 500, but it need to break, yeah, give or take here around 458 or around the 460, yes. But now start to reverse because we have a little support over the 422. Let us check the market over there. Yes, we have a little bit of pullback for the market, especially for APLD and B. Plug, INTC pulling back. Unity is okay. Palantir still okay. APLD pulling back just below the $33. Yeah, it's back to another jump for APLD today, guys. Watch out. If we held the 32.19 would be great. Yeah, I'm gonna put alert here just in case if we pull back. The same for B, watching for the 120 hold up. Now it's almost 2%. Interesting. GB is pulling back just below the resistance here. We got a major resistance around the 137, pulling back toward the first support over the 115. Major support is around the 109, yes. So GB is still okay. OPAD still okay because getting near the breakout around the 245. LRHC, yeah, it's a bit far from the resistance. The same for CETX. The same for RANX. Trying to narrow down the list here. Yeah, open. Let's see how much we should pull back at the market open. Here, 4%. We might have 4% up. The main seller place is a bit far here, 8% more. But yeah, there's a chance for open to do fantastic job for today. So we have to watch it. Everybody betting on open for today. The good news happened yesterday after hours. Yeah, after hours, there's a big buyer. Yes, sir. Let's see if we hold over this level, the $6.82. Yeah, if we held, would be great for open to open up. AQST, a huge selling pressure because of FDA news about the drug. Not good result, man. Not good result at all. Make this stock to be the top loser for today. Good morning, Clifton. How you doing, man? Let me just put the charger on. I forget to charge my laptop. Plug struggling. Yeah. But once it jump, it jump. Good morning. Karina, good morning. Good morning, everybody. George, you asked me at Discord, you asked me about two stocks. You asked me about Tesla and AVGO. Okay, George, no problem. I understand about your work. So I'm gonna cover AVGO for now very quick. But before that, we have a request from our elite member. Good morning, Lunar, ABVO, and PRFX. I will check right now, those three. We got Emoji Trader ask about ANPA. Okay, so David and Emoji Trader ask about the same stock. So first, let us just check AVGO very quick for George, one of our hunter on Discord, because he have things to do outside AVGO. Yeah, AVGO is coiling back up. Yeah, 330.83 is the current support now. And major resistance is around the 350. Let's see how much. Yeah, 349, yes. This is the major resistance to break to go toward the 359. For now, if we broke the 330, watch out for the 321. or AVGO. PRFX, light on volume. I don't like the short that much, man. Yeah, it's too risky here, and it's heavily shorted. However, if we broke the 121, let me know. It might go toward the 177, but below it is mean we're still weak and the shorting control. So we have to break the 121 first. David, let me know if you can hear me. Otherwise, if you like, I will. Wait a second, yeah. If you like, I will send the chart here. If you just watching the live streaming, is mean is okay. I don't have to send you the chart. So this is for PRFX, David. PRFX is a bit dangerous until we break the 121. Clifton, yeah, we got snow as well here in France 2 days ago, but we're not ready for it because the bus stopped, everything stopped. Nobody could go even to work. We have a lot of accidents, and so France is not ready and equipped like in United States or Canada. So snow is not friendly here in in France. So David, he didn't reply. It mean he don't watch our live streaming. So yeah, watch out here and maybe there. It's too risky, man. It's too risky. It need to jump 34% to be okay. For lunar, I think we already checked it out. Let's see. Lunar, yeah, it pulled back from the first support. Now it is going down. The best support to watch for lunar, I think, is overextended. We have a few levels here. Now it is kind of testing a major support over this white line. You see, watch out for those hot spots around those supports for a reversal zone for lunar because it's kind of overextended and now is reversing down 4%. Yes, it did 5%. So yeah, here is the resistant plus profit for lunar around almost the $20 or 19.97. And if it broke over the 21, let me know so I could update the level for you. What else? David asked about ABVO, I think. Where is ABVO? Yeah, ABVO here. ABVO not good at all here, man. It's too dangerous. ABVO not good. Anyway, OBAD, let's see. Yeah, it's still holding. GP is still holding here. Nice. We have a nice breakout. Current support now is around the 114. LRHC still a bit far from the resistance. CETX open pulling back a little bit down. Watching open at the market open. Okay, I'm gonna put BINTC and APLD, I think. Yeah, APLD looking interesting, guys. Watching it close at the market open. Yesterday we have good earnings for APLD and seeing an opportunity for entry. Let's go. Okay. Okay, open looking interesting here. B is going down. INTC open is going crazy fast up. APLD still waiting for a pullback here. Okay. APLD is pulling back. Open, nothing. APLD still pulling back. Let's see if we're gonna have a reversal here any moment. Huge reversal. Smooth operator. Okay, let's see. B, we have to watch B closely if we hold the 120. APLD, the same, watching for a reversal here, at least around 3284. Tier Y is pulling back, guys, big time. It was really good yesterday, but now it's pulling back. Open, still holding the current support here over the 686. CETX is about to break a support. LRAH, the same. GP, we got a fake out here. OPAD, we have a breakout, guys, for OPAD. Yeah, we got a really good breakout here, but now have a resistance. Interesting. APLD, we got a bit of reversal here. INTC, guys, we got a big buyer at the market open, man. This one, it tricked me, man. I didn't expect this reversal to happen really quick. Tier Y here, let's see, open. Yeah, open trying to go up. APLD, the same, trying to go up. Anyway, B is trying to break out. INTC again doing all right here. Y is flashing down, guys. It's flashing down. Yesterday we have bad earnings, but it jumped in yesterday after hours. So the only unicorn that did really good right now is this one, OPAD. Yes, OPAD did really great. GP still trying. This one still trying. CETX pulling back, taking it from the list for now. APLD trying to go up. Yeah, trying to go up here. APLD trying to go up. Undecided yet. Still undecided. Waiting for a pullback here around the 31.31. If we have one, would be great. B, we got a big buyer for B. INTC 4%. Palantir is the only one in red with plug. Yeah, open is still undecided as well. Yeah, around $7.37. Guys, we need to break this level for open to squeeze. Yeah, APLD, it might pull back now. Again, B, still waiting for a pullback for B because it's too dangerous to buy here. The same for open, guys. It could be really great trade if we waited a bit. Thank you, Bad Monster. Okay, let's see. Holy baloney. Holy baloney. APLD undecided and reversed here. This crazy stock is still doing crazy stuff. Yeah, still trying to squeeze here. Yeah, unusual buying pressure here, man. This is unusual for APLD to squeeze like this. Yeah, tier Y is kind of dangerous right now. GP guys have a double top right now around the 148 and didn't break yet. Yeah, have a struggle here. APLD still trying to squeeze here, guys. 33.93 should be the squeeze zone. Let's see if we're gonna break it right now. What's going on with B, guys? This is unusual. Yeah, we have unusual buying pressure for B. Open, trying to open up. Yeah, open. I think we got a breakout here. Today is the day for open. Yeah, it's too dangerous here. Okay, what's going to happen with APLD? Okay, B is crazy, guys. I'm telling you. Yeah, B is going. APLD is going. Okay, ABLD is getting near a major resistance. Let's see if we're gonna break it. INTC trying to break as well here. Let's go. Let's go. Today is the day. Yeah, open pulling back from the 7. LRHC, guys, is not that strong. RENX, the same. Tier Y got flushed down. Yeah, the one is APLD, guys. The one is APLD right now is squeezing. Madness for APLD. I didn't expect this a huge jump for APLD, to be honest. It's unprecedented, to be honest. It's crazy. And the same for Intel. Unusual, 6%. This is madness. Waiting for pullback now for APLD for entry. The same for B. INTC, I will not touch it here. It's too much risk involved. Nice. APLD is pulling back. Yeah, we have interesting market for today, guys. Interesting market. A bit of volatility going on. OBAD. Okay, I will check OBAD for you. But before, let me just check B. Yeah, B is getting near an interesting, juicy support here. OBAD looking interesting, but it didn't break the recurrent resistance around this level. Okay, B is started to reverse it. I will check open. Yeah, GP, not good. CETX, I will check it right now. Yeah, CET. Nothing much, John. $4.13 is the resistance, support is the $3.63, bottom $3.30, and profit taken is around the 4.44. Nothing changed, man. For CETX. RGC, nothing much as well. I took it from the list for a reason. It's not on our list. RGC. Yes, it broke two support. Now it reversed from the bottom around the 35 and is going toward the main resistant around the 49.55. By far is the strongest resistant. So it's about to have a pullback at least around the 40.76. Anyway, so I'm gonna come back to APLD looking interesting, a B looking fantastic, Intel looking really strong here. Open is preparing for a breakout, guys. There's someone still loading up on open. Yeah, Palantir is really weak today. The only top dog for today is Intel, B, and APLD. And need a pullback, man. Huge pullback. Come on. I'm gonna check the top gainer stocks for now. Amba. We got Amba, we got OPAD, ATGL, light on volume, CETX, nothing. Zentel, ASBI. Let me just check one thing here. The top gainer list for today. Again, we don't want to miss anything. We got MTEN. Let's check this one out. Um, I will keep it for later. I don't like the technical that much. What else? Yeah, let us check the top halted stock. But before that, let me just check. Yeah, B is still strong. APLD is strangely strong. Yeah, it's really strangely strong. There is no coming back. Still strong. Okay, let us check this list. EMAT. We got MTEN. All of them got halted at the market open, and now they are resumed. So technically, there is no stock is still halted now. Yeah, APLD is too dangerous here, man. Yeah, I need a pullback. EMAT, not good. ATCX, not good. OPAD is still pulling back. Open, nothing much. Intel is going like crazy. P and APLD. Holy baloney. APLD, guys, is crazy. Okay, guys, let us discuss. Okay, guys, so we got interesting thing going on with Beyond Meat. As we discussed, guys, we need to see a breakout before the end of this week. And today we have a really good active market. And Beyond Meat currently right now it is on the green side, I think. So we have to discuss if we're gonna have a squeeze for it for this month or not, because now it is on the $1, guys, on the $1 level. So it's around the psychological level. So before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes. So you see here, Beyond Meat pulled back on the market open. And again, we got a consolidation zone here. You see what's going on? Consolidation zone here over the 95, which is the breakout zone that happened on Wednesday, last Wednesday. And this accumulation zone lasted just for 3 days. Now we need to hold again over the 95, and if we did the new high over the 108 at least would be a good indicator, at least for the next week. On Monday maybe we have some news will come up like after the market close, and this will give us at least the test around the 132. But for now, 95 is still holding, is mean we still have a buyer holding the price over the 95 psychological level that we broke from 3 days ago. So as long as we hold here and we at least trying to consolidate until we have major news, we might have the test and the squeeze around the 132 before the end of this month or the beginning this year would be really great for Beyond Meat. We got interesting thing going on, guys. The top gainer for today for the blue chip company is APLD and B. Those top stocks, guys, have major news going on. APLD, of course, we're going to discuss the fundamental and the technical for both of them because one of them have really great earnings turning from negative to positive, and the other one have a huge contract from Donald Trump and energy sector. So there is a lot of news regarding both. So we have to discuss both of them before a major jump. Again, for this year, we might have another 1000% because it already did 1000%. So before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes. So as we said, APLD had a huge earnings, as you see here, guys. Reported was around negative 0.07, turning really in positive in earnings and even in revenue. And now we have a huge jump, 9% yesterday, 10%, and testing major resistance around the 35.68. Now it's pulling back for another a chance for a loading up because in the market open we have a huge loading up around this bottom. The market reverse big time, as you see here, guys, from the 31 until 35, very quick in few minutes, and now have a chance for another squeeze if we broke over the 35.60 to go toward huge levels around the 36 and maybe even the $40 before the end of this month. This stock, guys, if you don't know, is one of the top gainers last year and did just in less than 1 month 63%, a huge reversal. As we said, huge earnings that happened on Wednesday after hours. And of course this one we already discussed on our Discord. Let me just show you what we did. We did it on our swing trade. We did APLD, we did TRY, of course the one that jumped yesterday after huge earnings. And the APLD, we did it here before the earnings once the price was on 31.68. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join and don't miss those kind of jump before the earnings or before major news. The other stock that we have to discuss is B, which is have a huge news lately about like almost 2.65 billion deal, and this was a huge number because as you see here for B, just from this month this year, man, it did 25% from 100 now 130 and it's still squeezing up. So we have to watch out for the 125.79 because if we held this support, we have a expect level around the 133 and 114. And of course, there's another thing that changed everything is price target change, an upgraded price target for B. And this is made B like came on the radars for investors before for this year. So watch out for both those stocks because both of them are the top stocks for top picks, of course, for us for this month and of course the rest of the year. So you see APLD is not even coming back and testing. So we might have even the breakout for today, another breakout, and maybe we do 20%. This would be really crazy if we did that for today, but it's not abnormal because APLD have a huge volatility and huge opportunity to go for a new high. So let me know, guys, what you think, which one would be the best pick for this year. APLD or B or maybe Intel. So let me know in comment section below. So what we've got here, let's see. We got this. Anyway, B is pulling back here. Okay, let's see. Intel the same, pulling back. Open, trying to go up. GP, nothing much. OPAD, nothing much. What we got here? Renix, nothing. CETX, nothing. TRY, what a huge pullback, man. It was pump and dump, kind of, because it pulled back at the market open. Anyway, guys, I think we have to wrap up our live streaming for now because the market now is on the pullback side. Yes, Beyond Meat now has a total return of almost 1 million. Interesting. Thank you for the let us know, Karina. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. See you all back by the next week, of course, to hunt for the market together 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, we're going to do update right now on our Discord and Patreon to discuss the market. And of course, be ready for a nice dip right now, maybe for B, because it might break the support. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great weekend and see you all back by the next week.